Replacing the engine air filter in your 2019-2024 Toyota RAV4 with the 2.5-liter engine is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. The air filter prevents dirt and debris from entering the intake system, improving fuel efficiency, power output, and engine longevity. A clogged filter can reduce MPG by 5 to 10% and increase emissions. Toyota recommends replacing the filter every 15,000 miles or 12 months under normal conditions, but more frequently in dusty environments. Ignoring this can lead to engine knocking and costly repairs. Keep an eye out for alerts from OBD2 scanners that show engine performance data and can warn you about when a clogged filter is reducing performance. First, park on a level surface, turn off the engine, and open the hood. Gather your tools: a screwdriver or socket set, a new compatible air filter with OEM part numbers like 781-31130, and gloves for safety. Locate the air filter housing, a black plastic box near the front of the engine bay. Release the clamps or unscrew the fasteners securing the housing lid. Lift the lid and remove the old filter, noting the direction of the airflow arrow. Inspect the housing for debris and clean with a damp cloth if needed. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow points toward the engine. Replace the lid, tighten the clamps or screws without over-tightening. Close the hood, start the engine to check for proper airflow, and listen for unusual noises. The entire process takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Remember to wear eye protection and avoid touching hot engine surfaces.